Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add photos and video using CapCut. Now let's begin. Now on our mobile device, let us simply open CapCut and create a new project. Now let's add any video of our choice and click on Add. Now the video has been successfully added to the timeline. We can see it right here. Now we need to add an overlay. You can find it at the bottom of the screen. It is something like this. Simply click on it. Now let's click on Add Overlay once again. Now I want to add photos, so let's go to the photo section. And this right here is the photo that I want to add. It can be any photo of your choice. For now, I'm simply going to add this and click on Add. Well, here is my photo. I need to resize it first of all. Now I'm gonna put it to a certain position. Now what I want to do is scroll over to the settings and look at something like remove BZ. Now this BZ has this chroma key, so I'm gonna select this chroma key right here. But instead you want to use custom removal or auto removal, it's completely up to you as well. I'm gonna select chroma key, select the color right here, and let's change the intensity and the shadow as well. And after everything is satisfactory, simply click on the stick button. Let's do it right now. You can also add animations to it. I'm going to click on this photo again. And from here, you can see something like animations. Click on it. Now what I want to add animations is for in and out. For animation in, I'm going to select zoom 1. And for out, you can select any one among from here. I'm going to select slide up. Now simply click on the stick button. And let's play the video. And there you have it guys. That's how you add a photo in your video. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.